5 seconds to go. Start. Whether statutory authority determining a juristic status can give a negative declaration in an application under Section 7 of the Goa Daman and Diu Agricultural Tenancy Act 1964 filed by the appellant landowners, the Court of Mamlatdar gave a negative declaration that respondents were not tenants of the disputed lands. The order was maintained by the Deputy Collector but was reversed by the Administrative Tribunal. A writ petition and a LPA filed by the appellant landowners were dismissed by reasons of impugned orders holding that the Court of Mamlatdar could not have passed a negative declaration under Section 7 of said Act. The expression, if any question arises whether any person is or was a tenant, embraces within its sweep both facts, that is, positive declaration as well as negative declaration, and the conclusion can only be reached at the end of the inquiry. It is a rule that the presumption of innocence of an accused until he is proved guilty. The appellant, who belongs to the Indian National Congress Party, for short Congress Party, is the alleged accused in this case. The case of the prosecution, as disclosed in the first information report, for short FIR, is that Sidramappa Patil was contesting election of the State Assembly on behalf of the Bharatiya Janata Party, for short BJP. In the FIR, it is incorporated that Baburao Patil, Prakash Patil, Mahadev Patil, Malika Arjun Patil, Apparao Patil, Yashwant Patil were supporters of the Congress, and so also the supporters of the appellant Siddha Ram Mehitre, and opposed to the BJP candidate. On 26 September 2009, around 6 pm in the evening, Sidramappa Patil of BJP came to the village to meet his party workers. At that juncture, Shrimant Ishwarappa Kore, Bhima Shankar Ishwarappa Kore, Kalappa Gadi, Sangappa Gadi, Gafur Patil, Layappa Gadi, Mahadev Kore, Suresh Gadi, Suresh Jhalaki, Angalki, Sarpanch of village Shiv Murthy Vijaypure, met Sidramappa Patil and thereafter went to worship and pray at Lavya Devi's temple. After worshipping the goddess, when they came out to the assembly hall of the temple, these aforementioned political opponents, namely Baburao Patil, Prakash Patil, Gurunath Patil, Shri Shel Patil, Mahadev Patil, Malika Arjun Patil, Amma Rao alias Pintu Patil, Hanumant Patil, Tamma Rao Basappa Patil, Appa Rao Patil, Malaya Swami, Siddhappa Patil, Shankar Mehitre, Usman Sheikh, Jagdev Patil, Om Siddha Pujari, Panchappa Patil, Mahesh Hatargi, Siddhappa Birajdar, Santosh Arwat, Sanghaya Swami, Anandappa Birajdar, Sharanappa Birajdar, Shailesh Chogule, Ravi Patil, Amrutling Kositi, Ramesh Patil, and Chandrakant Hatargi suddenly came rushing in their direction and loudly shouted, "Why have you come to our village? Have you come here to oppose our Mehitre Sahab?" They asked them to go away and shouted, "Mehitre Sahab ki jai." Baburao Patil and Prakash Patil from the aforementioned group fired from their pistols in order to kill Sidramappa Patil and the other workers of the BJP. Bhima Shankar Kore was hit by the bullet on his head and died on the spot. Sangappa Gadi, Shiv Murthy Vijaypure, Jagdev Patil, Layappa Patil, Tammarao Patil were also assaulted. It is further mentioned in the FIR that about 8 days ago, the appellant Siddha Ram Mehitre and his brother Shankar Mehitre had gone to the village and talked to the above mentioned party workers and told them that if anybody says anything to you, then you tell me. I will send my men within 5 minutes. You beat anybody, do whatever. According to the prosecution, the appellant, along with his brother, instigated their party workers, which led to killing of Bhima Shankar Kora. It may be relevant to mention that the alleged incident took place after 8 days of the alleged incident of instigation. The appellants applied for bail under section 438 of CRPC in the High Court, and the High Court declined anticipatory bail, and aggrieved by the same order, the appellant approached Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, after considering the facts and circumstances of the case, found that the judgment and order of the High Court declining anticipatory bail to the appellant could not be sustained and was consequently set aside. Stop.